Welcome to a world of excellence in HVAC and building automation controls. At Controls Group North America, we take pride in partnering with the finest vendors, and together with our dedicated Controls Group distributors, we deliver nothing but the best.
In this exclusive video, we shine a spotlight on one of our vendors' superstars, showcasing their commitment to superior products, innovative solutions, and exceptional service. Join us as we unveil excellence with the best of the best.
Eric Stromquist here at CG&A Showcase, man. Caught up with one of my favorite Canadians, Marc Bergeron. Those of you hockey fans will remember him from the World Cup team when Canada defeated the USSR. Marc scored the 4 goals.
Yeah,
I'm just kidding.
Thank you. Don't go that far.
But where Marc really scored with his company called Prolon, they do commercial zoning and other really cool products. And Marc, thanks for taking a few minutes to speak with us.
Well, thanks to you, Eric. Appreciate it.
Well, for our audience out there who might not know, tell me what Prolon's all about.
Well, Prolon, we're a manufacturer of heating, ventilation, air conditioning controls. We have our own network, and can fit in light, small commercial application. So, and we sell across North America.
You guys are known for great quality service support. You got a new product out now, like a wireless thing, right? What's it called?
BL3Com, I think.
Oh, BL3Com, yeah.
BL3Com, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Tell us
pretty
about
great.
that, man.
Yeah, that's cool. You know, we can add it to any devices. It can replace a wire between a thermostat to a controller or controller to controller. And that's pretty cool. You can even use it as a device to go from building to building. It doesn't have to be installed in the same building all the time.
Yeah, just finds other network, right, and hooks you up.
Exactly.
So you combine that with your zoning systems. You got different zones on different floors, for example, right?
Exactly. And we do more than zoning. We do also boiler controllers.
Yeah.
We have the Flex IO that can do almost everything, lightning or whatever else.
Awesome. Well, look, I know you're the famous hockey player, but you guys are known for your customer support, and Daniel, man, is one of your best guys.
Yeah.
What do you say we introduce Daniel, let him maybe walk us through the product portfolio?
Sure. Daniel is the top gun at Prolon. He knows everything, and he's part also of the development. So it's really a good asset for Prolon.
Very, very cool. Awesome. Well, let's bring Daniel in.
Yeah.
Daniel, so good to see you again, man. How you doing, man?
Nice to see you too, Eric.
Awesome. Well, man, talk to me, man. How long have you been with Prolon, and what do you love about the company?
I've been with Prolon for a little over 10 years now, and I really love working with the team. Everyone at Prolon is absolutely fantastic to work with, and I couldn't do what I do without our customers, all of the wholesalers. They're just fantastic people. Whenever they start with us and they start promoting our line, we get to know them, we build relationships with them, and that's how we just grow from there.
Yeah. Well, the thing I love about you guys is for all you people out there, you go to technical support, a little chat bot comes up and says, how can I help you? You type the question in 150 times and you never get an answer. You guys are anti-bot, right? I mean, you get an actual live person with you guys.
Yep, every single time anybody calls, there's live people at our office who are taking every single call, and whether it's a contractor or a wholesaler or even an end user, we are there to help them out. We will not let them high and dry, and we want to make sure that they're happy with our products.
You guys are so good. You'll even talk to me when I call, which says a lot, because a lot of people I'm banned from there. They don't let me talk to them. So, brother, I mean, I know you're one of the main technical support people, one of the main developers. You mind showing us some of the products?
Absolutely. All right. So here we have the network controller panel, and you can see that this one has a display on it. However, you can get an option without a display. So when you do get the display, you don't need any laptop, any other kind of display. Job site, everything can be accessed right here from the display. All of the graphics are pre-made, so all you have to do is just add the controllers, and then everything is going to pop up automatically. Then once we open this up, you can see that it has our network controller right here. And so what this device allows you to do is connect any Prolon system onto the internet, and then you can access it remotely, you get email alerts, and do some data logging as well. So here's our network controller pad. All right, so here's the award that we just received from the CGNA, the Legacy Vendor Award. We've been in business for 25 years, so this is actually our 25th anniversary. And all right, we have our demo board. This controller can be used for rooftop units. It can be used for boilers and pumps, chillers and pumps, fan coils, you name it. We have our VC2000 VAV controllers right there. We have different flavors of wall sensors, whether they want something more basic, something a bit more fancy. And then here at the top, we have our network controller, which is what I showed before in the panel. So just know that any of these controllers can be completely standalone if they want to do a project one piece at a time, or it can be completely networked as well, and then people can access it on their laptops, on their smartphones, wherever they are.
Daniel, that's so cool. So Mark, man, those products are absolutely awesome, man. Daniel's a champ. How do people find out more about you guys? What's the website?
Well, the ProlonControls.com. You can find almost everything. You can see our cloud system also on there,
right.
And all the new features will be on there.
By the way, congratulations on your award today. Tell our audience what CGNA gave you guys today.
Well, thanks to CGNA members first. You know, they're old friends also. But if we have a good success with Prolon here, it's because of the members. They're great guys, and they gave us the opportunity to hit the market there. And now they use it as one of their primary systems. So that's pretty cool to be here and to win that award. So.
Well, we love having you guys in the group. You guys are awesome. So awesome.
Thanks to you.
Well, thanks again, man. All right, Mark, that's Prolon.com. Check them out.
ProlonControls.com.
That's ProlonControls.com. Check them out.
Hit it hard.
Give them the hockey wave.
Yeah.
Up high. Down low. Straight ahead.